Today start a new concept, a new point. Preparation methods of aldehydes and the ketones. Preparation methods of aldehydes and the ketones. Look here everybody, a first preparation method. Look here in this chapter, aldehyde and ketones, okay, both are prepared in simultaneously. A same preparation method also prepared the aldehyde and also prepared by the ketones. Okay, look here, a first here from acyl chloride. From acyl chloride. Okay. Look here, all of you here. Everybody, you know acid chloride. Acid chloride. Correct? Yes. Next, this reaction is Rosenmunde reduction reaction. Rosenmunde reduction reaction. Rosenmunde reduction reaction. Okay? Okay. Look here in aldehydes and the keto in this chapter, the most important here, a Rosenmunde reduction reaction. Rosenmunde reduction reaction. Look here everybody, also important for the board examination or competitive exam of a JEE, NEET, okay, also CET examinations. You know, look here, acyl chloride, RCOCl. Name of the compound acyl chloride. Name of the compound acyl chloride. Look here everybody, a acyl chloride means everybody a acyl chloride, okay, on hydrogenated by passing H2 gas. Hydrogenated by passing H2 gas. Okay. Look here, by using PDOR BaSO4 as a catalyst. PDOR a BaSO4 means acyl chloride hydrogenated over catalyst palladium on barium sulfate. Palladium on a barium sulfate. It gives the corresponding RCOH. Okay? Yes, plus HCl. Plus HCl. You know, compound here, it gives corresponding aldehyde. It gives a corresponding aldehyde. Look here, explain the a Rosenmunde reduction reaction. Explain a Rosenmunde reduction reaction. Look here everybody, when acyl chloride hydrogenated by using here a PD, palladium over a barium sulfate BaSO4 as a catalyst. It gives the corresponding aldehyde. This reaction is called as Rosenmunde reduction reaction. Rosenmunde reduction reaction. Look here, all of you. What is by Rosenmunde? You state the statement. Do the statement of Rosenmunde reduction reaction. Look here, a Rosenmunde reaction when acyl chloride on hydrogenated by using palladium or BaSO4 as a catalyst, it gives corresponding a aldehyde. This reaction is called as a Rosenmunde reduction reaction. Rosenmunde reduction reaction. Okay. Look here. Everybody, simple example, a Rosenmunde reduction reaction. Simple example of Rosenmunde reduction reaction. Look here, benzoyl chloride. You know example, benzoyl chloride like this. Benzoyl chloride, you know, COCl, benzoyl chloride, like this, benzoyl chloride. Name of the compound, benzoyl chloride. Correct? Like this. Benzoyl, you know, chloride. Look here, when benzoyl chloride on hydrogenated by using a palladium or a barium sulfate. Palladium or a barium sulfate as a catalyst, it gives, it gives compound like this compound here. Okay, most important example of in this reaction, COH. Yes, like this. Okay. Name of the compound benzaldehyde. Name of the compound benzaldehyde. Correct. Benzaldehyde. Okay. Plus HCl. Okay. Plus HCl. Benzal. Look here. Repeat. Fen. Benzoyl chloride. Okay. Fen benzoyl chloride. Hydrogenated. Hydrogenated. Okay. Palladium, biog palladium or a barium sulfate as a catalyst, it uses benzaldehyde. It uses benzaldehyde. Look at simple questions here. Simple question. How will you convert here a benzoyl chloride into benzaldehyde? How will you convert a benzoyl chloride into benzaldehyde? You know, everybody here explanation. Fen benzoyl chloride on hydrogenation by PD or BaSO4 barium sulfate as a catalyst, it uses benzaldehyde. Look here, a simple question. How will you convert benzoyl chloride into benzaldehyde by Roschen-Munde reduction reaction? By Roschen-Munde reduction reaction. Answer same. Look here, all of you. Everybody, all the reactions are simple reaction to require the most important, the basic concept. Basic concept here. Correct? Yes. Completely first, if from acyl chloride or acid chloride, everybody Roschen-Munde reduction reaction. Correct? Yes. Look here next. Next is the second. B from acyl. Okay, second reaction. Correct? From. Look here second from acyl chloride. From acyl chloride, you know, bracket, preparation of ketone. Preparation of ketone, correct? Okay, next, by using dialkyl cadmium. By using dialkyl cadmium. Okay, cadmium. Okay. Look here next. Everybody, Fen Grignard reagent. Like this is the Grignard reagent. RMGX is called as a Grignard reagent. Fen Grignard reagent is reacted with cadmium dichloride. What is this? This is the Grignard reagent. Okay, this is the Grignard reagent. It's reacted with cadmium dichloride. It's reacted with cadmium dichloride. It gives, you know, product here. Everybody, here R2CD. Name of the compound first, dialkyl cadmium. Dialkyl cadmium. Dialkyl cadmium. Okay, plus. Like this, plus. Next is the, you know, here twice. Mg. Yes. Next here. Okay, Mg complex. Mg complex. Next. Look here, next compound here. Okay, twice RCOCl. Like this. Everybody reacted, you know, like this. Next. Okay. Yes. So reacted with dialkyl cadmium R2 dash CD dialkyl cadmium. Dialkyl cadmium here. Okay. You know, product like this. A simple twice RCOR dash. Name of it gives the corresponding ketone. It gives a corresponding ketone plus. You know, next is the, like this, CD cadmium dichloride. Cadmium chloride. Cadmium chloride. Look here, all of you. A first reaction preparation of dialkyl cadmium. Next dialkyl cadmium then react with the acyl chloride. The name of the compound acyl chloride. It gives, okay, a corresponding ketone here. Dialkyl ketone. Corresponding, okay, ketone here. Repeat. Fen Grignard reagent. Look here, when Grignard reagent is reacted with a cadmium chloride. Cadmium chloride. You know valence of cadmium plus here. Cadmium chloride. First it gives dialkyl cadmium. First it gives dialkyl cadmium. Look here, then a dialkyl cadmium then react with a acyl chloride to form a corresponding ketone. Okay. Look here, this is the preparation of ketone by using dialkyl cadmium. By using a dialkyl cadmium, correct? Okay. Look here, next questions here, simple. Next questions. Okay. Next questions. What is the action of acetyl chloride? What is the action of acetyl chloride? CS3COCl. Correct, acetyl chloride. You know, like this acetyl chloride. Acetyl chloride. Look here. What is the action of here a acetyl chloride on dimethyl cadmium? On dimethyl cadmium. Okay, CS3. Second twice CD, dimethyl cadmium. Name of the compound, dimethyl cadmium, like this. Dimethyl cadmium. Okay, yes, dimethyl cadmium. Look here, next point. It gives the compound like twice. CS3CO, next is the CS3. Right? Yes, name of the compound here. Name of the compound, acetone, dimethyl ketone. Dimethyl ketone plus, you know, name of the compound next. Okay, CD, like this. Like this, cadmium chloride. Okay, cadmium chloride. Look here, all of you, a simple. You know, simple here. What is the action of, everybody? What is the action of a acetyl chloride on dimethyl cadmium? Dimethyl cadmium. You know here, when acetyl chloride is reacted with dimethyl cadmium, it gives dimethyl ketone. Look here, CS3, how many 2? CS3, how many 2? Here, twice CS3, CO, CS3. Look here, the byproduct. Cl, how many Cl? Twice. And the CD, cadmium chloride. You know, simple, when acetyl chloride is reacted with dimethyl cadmium, it gives dimethyl ketone. Okay, another name of this compound here, you know, a special name acetone, and also IUPAC names of the propanone. IUPAC names of propanone. Correct? Yes. Look here, everybody, next questions here. Next questions. You know, next. If what is the action of? Next, if what is the action of acetyl chloride? Acetyl chloride on. What is the action of? You know, here simple. Benzoyl chloride on dimethyl cadmium. Benzoyl chloride. Simple, like this. You know, benzoyl chloride twice. C6H5. Okay, COCl. Name of the compound, benzoyl chloride. Benzoyl chloride. Look here, when benzoyl chloride is reacted with dimethyl cadmium, like this CS3 twice, you know, CD, dimethyl cadmium, you know, product, like this. Okay, twice, C6H5, CO, and next is the CH3, correct? Look here, a name of the compound here, acetophenone. Name of the compound, acetophenone. Acetophenone, correct? Plus, okay, CdCl2, cadmium chloride. Look here, simple questions here. Simple question. What is the action of a benzoyl chloride on dimethyl cadmium? Answer, when benzoyl chloride is reacted with dimethyl cadmium, it gives acetophenone. It gives acetophenone, correct? Everybody here, a simple, you know, a methylphenyl ketone. Methylphenyl ketone or acetophenone. Okay. A first preparation method, acyl chloride Everybody, this is the Rosen-Munda reaction. And second, from acyl chloride, like this. Okay, from a acyl chloride, from acyl chloride, BioG. Okay, preparation of the ketone. Preparation of ketone, correct? Yes. Look here, both reaction. Look here, both reaction from acyl chloride. Both reaction from acyl chloride. First is the Rosen-Munda reaction. Rosen-Munda reaction. Second, from acyl chloride by preparation of ketone. Preparation of ketone. Okay? Complete the two methods, aldehydes and ketone. Okay? Thank you.